What's going on, guys? So today we got a long day ahead of us and a long process. We're going straight into the kouki and we're going to be taking it apart. Everything from body panels, front bumper, dash, tail lights, and eventually the motor. So let's get started. Here we go. So it begins. There's no turning back, boys.
Yo, let me get that and that.
All right, got you. 3 G's. Yo, why you walking away? Yo! Alright, let's take all these off. Alright, that wasn't even on. Play that Wiz Khalifa music. Now, how much of a pain this corner 10 mil is right in here. Is it out? Nope. Always feel like I'm eating. Here we go, look at this. Tony's Beach House Pizza, bacon, ranch, chicken, and barbecue sauce. Next, what we're doing is taking out this whole dash here. And take out the dash. Fender's front end is all off, minus the hood. But take the dash, take out all like unnecessary, ugly interior here. Shouldn't be too hard. Fender's all off and everything. Tail lights all off. Got the front bumper lip off. Next, we're gonna intercooler's all off. Side skirt's all off. Next, got the dash off as well. Next, just getting everything ready to take the motor out. Drained the radiator, got all that out. Switched over to RB25 covers there. Only left to do is got the fuel lines off and everything as well. Only thing left to do now is the motor mounts and gotta do the inside as well. We'll take this out. We'll take out the shifter and all that, disconnect the drive shaft from underneath, and then we should be able to pull out the motor. So I'm gonna go ahead, take out the motor mounts first, jack up the car, then we'll do the drive shaft. We gotta do as much as we can now because I hate working in the winter time. It is so cold. Your jeans are wet, your shoes are wet, your socks are wet, everything's wet, no homo. But we gotta get as much as we can now since the weather is still pretty good. It's like 70-ish. So that's another reason why we're doing a bunch of upgrades, hopefully keeping the shell and everything, but stay tuned for that. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram at KoukiTony7 to stay updated. Just unplugging like all the sensors, everything underneath the manifold, which is a pain. Coolant hoses against the firewall, got that all off. Like I said, fuel lines are still, everything's still draining a little bit. Got a couple buckets around. That way we can at least jack up the car and we could get the drive shaft and all that from underneath. A little hard to document everything, but trying my best. Just getting carried away a little bit, but jacking up the car right now. That way we could disconnect the drive shaft. After we disconnect the drive shaft, we should be able to actually pull out the motor. But I might have to call some people to help me out with that. Just to wiggle around, bring the training down, because I'm taking the whole thing out all at once. Also not sure whether or not to probably do like overs, wise fab kit, S15 front end. That would be nice. But I don't know, still up in the air what we want to do. Rebuild the RB, throw a 1J in, who knows. Woo! That was a little tough just underneath instead of the lift, but got the drive shaft out. Garage sideways, Stephen and Melina. Got that drive shaft for you if you guys need it still. All right, let's see if this thing comes out. Hopefully. Oh, everything's dripping. Yeah, right. Yeah, I was gonna say that's a little too easy. Had to remove the hood on this, but finally have everything together. We can go ahead and pull it, get some manpower. Yo, you guys need help. Whatever broke.
This plug tells wires
probably pulled
up
off.
in here.
Hold on, because a lot of this gotta get.
Where's that going?
Hold on, it's alright. We'll just pull it up. Those are for the gauges.
Yeah. Should be good.
Alright, had to hire everybody. Good job, guys. I'll pay you on Venmo. Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Good luck.
It's fun.
Discussion.
Right?
So I had to hire everybody.
Damn. Oh, all in the system.
Welcome to cut this shit. It ain't my problem no more.
Do you want to go up higher so you can come out a little?
Yeah.
No, I got plenty of fucking room over here, to be honest with you.
Hold it up.
Yeah, that's extra, for sure. That's at least $300. On the Civic, yeah, I don't want to put it on there because it's gonna get all rusty because I'm not driving the Civic. No, you know. Lit, boys. Oh.
I was like, yo, who the fuck jumped over? Motor's all out and everything. Thanks to everybody over here. Oh, camera's dying. But that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Like always, like, comment, subscribe. Adrian ordered us some Chinese food. Look at this. Sugar donuts. Can't go wrong. Hell yeah.
Can I get one?
But stay tuned, guys.
Oh, yeah.